Hello friends from the world, happy owners of Mercedes C240s, C230s, W202s. I'm making this video because I was having a problem with the door lock of my car. This car problem was that the lock broke and it was leaking air. So at the beginning I was just having the issue with the annoying noise of air leaking, but later on the lock stopped working, and first I decided to make it work manually, but luckily I found on the internet a used lock that was also broken, the pin connector on the lock, but it was working. I made an adaptation that I'm gonna show later, and it worked and saved my life. And I'm gonna show to you guys how to disassemble the door, and I hope this video helps someone, because many other videos made by other people already saved me with my car. So to remove the door panel, one nut here, bolt. Then I remove the speaker, 3 bolts. Over here under this cover, 2 bolts. There's another cover here, 1 bolt and 1 here. And then you take the panel out, and then to release the lock, 2 bolts. And then you have to play with it inside of the door, and it will come out. Hello guys, this is another lock that I bought from a junkyard on the internet, and here is the adaptation. I simply found a copper tube, very little tube, and I drilled the lock and I made it fit, and then I glued it with epoxy, glue epoxy. Put this hose, the hose fits on the car's connector. Later I will make a video of it, and that's it. Now it's just reassemble it. Just because I'm making the video for the YouTube, it was easy, guys. But on the first time it wasn't. This is the broken one. I tried to do the adaptation on it, but it didn't work. It was leaking air. Someone probably tried already to fix it. So this one is trash. And now I'm gonna put the another one back. So the lock was put back on the door. It's totally assembled. Here's the hose, the connection. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope I have helped someone. Bye.